Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Basics of Civil Engineering. I am here Ankita again bringing you a very informative video. So before I start, please press the bell icon and subscribe my channel so that you don't miss any informative video. Now let's start with the today's topic, that is IS codes. This is a very interesting topic, IS codes for the construction industries. And for the freshers also, to get the knowledge of IS code would help them to build up a career in a very technical manner, and it will be really helpful for the freshers to grow in the industry. Now, what is IS code? That is Indian Standards in Civil Engineering. That are some standards which are followed in civil engineering work. It means that whatever the work is going at site, whatever it may be, that is going to be that is going to be done according to the IS codes. Whether it is the execution part, whether it is the planning part, the billing part, or whether it is the quality part. So these all these works are done according to the IS codes. So let's start and get to know what different IS codes we follow. Normally there are many IS codes for different type of works that is done in the construction activities, but here I have selected some important that are generally used in day-to-day work. So first we are taking as IS 516. This is the method of test for strength of concrete. Now IS 516 is used when we have to test the grade of concrete, or we have to check the strength of concrete. So different test which is followed, which is done for the test of concrete, checking the strength and checking the quality of the concrete, checking the workability, and whatever the parameters are required are checked according to IS 516. As I told in my previous videos, there are various departments of engineering. So the quality departments here, IS 516 is very important for that. And if you have not seen that video, please check out my description box. You'll find a link and you can just see my previous video. Now the next one is IS 2502. To IS 2502 is the important part for billing and QS team. So this is the code which is used for calculating the BBS, and for site team as well, as because it explains all the bending and fixing of the bars, how it is done and how it should be done at site. Third one is IS 456. IS 456 is a very common and very widely used IS code. This is the code for practice for plain and reinforcement concrete. I have already made a video about difference between plain and reinforcement concrete. You can check out the link in the description box as well. So the code for practice of plain and reinforcement concrete, every parameter like water cement ratio, like strength, like whatever the how the number of days of the formwork we should use when the reinforcement of plain cement concrete is done. Various vital topics I can share you in a different video, especially for IS 456, so that you can see in my further videos. So this code one must read once, and one must understand properly, so it will be very helpful for you for doing whatever construction activity you will do in the future in your career. Next one is IS 1200. IS 1200 is the code of measurement that is properly followed for the billing department. All the mode of measurements which are paid to the contractors for any activity or any construction activity is done according to IS 1200. I'll be explaining about IS 1200 in a different video, because that has many parts, and that we can talk about separately. Next one is IS 269, that is for ordinary Portland cement 33 grade of specification. So that is used for the quality team as well. Then IS 4926, that is for ready mix concrete, the RMC which is used as site. And the next one is IS 800, that is used for the general construction in steel. One should know the construction in steel, general conditions for the steel, like how it is, what all parameters we should know, and we should take care while calculating the quantity of steel and selecting the steel, etc. Now, our next one is 2386. That is the for test of aggregates of concrete. This is also as well for the quality team. So, for aggregates, whatever aggregates are brought to site, 10 mm, 20 mm, 30, 40, that the quality of the concrete, quality of aggregates which is to be used for concrete is tested according to this code. Now, the second last is 2720. This is for method for testing the soil. When the construction activity starts, then you do compaction test, you do moisture test, you do many other tests on soil, because that is the very important part for the beginning of the project, because testing of the soil and the soil parameters should be properly achieved, so that further construction do not hampers. Now the last one is 8009. That is the calculation and settlement of foundations. Like how the settlement, how the calculation is done when the foundation work goes on, and like earthwork and all, how it is calculated. That how the settlement of soil is calculated in the mode of measurement while paying the contractors. So these are few of the IS codes which I have discussed. Details, if you need any of them, please tell me in the comment box. I would love to discuss all this. And for further getting good in like good job also, one must know all the IS codes, and also we can follow the CPWD specifications, which is followed some of the companies, and that is also very plays a very important role in billing and tendering part. So this video here finishes like this only. So if anything is required from my side, like PDF or the IS codes and all, please tell me in the comment box. I'll share the same with you. So keep watching my channel, and let me know if for any queries. Thank you so much.